In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Batman Arkham VR on Oculus Quest 2. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to set up and play Batman Arkham Virtual Reality using your Oculus Quest 2. So, to play this, you will need a PC. As it stands today, you cannot simply run the game on your Oculus Quest 2 standalone. It is a PC VR game, so it is going to run on your gaming computer and the experience will be streamed over to your VR headset, so you have to use both in conjunction. Purchase the game through Steam and ideally download Steam VR as well. So by using Steam VR, you will be able to set up any game available on Steam that has virtual reality, including Batman Arkham VR. Be aware of the system requirements here if you scroll down. And now, to properly stream the game over to your Oculus Quest headset, you will need to connect it in one of two ways to your PC. So you can either use a cable known as the link cable, and in my opinion, this is going to be the preferred choice because it is going to basically eliminate any sort of latency. However, you can also use your headset wirelessly. So if you want to, you also have the option to use AirLink. However, AirLink relies on a strong internet connection. If you are very far away from your router or your network speeds aren't the best, then I wouldn't recommend this. It is going to introduce a lot of latency and it can ruin the experience. So choose between using a link cable or using AirLink. After you decide, in order to connect the headset to your PC, then you will go over to the MetaQuest Link app. So look for the MetaQuest Link application on their official website. Sign in using your account. Once you are signed in, choose the devices option at the left, select add headset, and now you are able to choose the Quest 2. So select Quest 2, choose the connection method like I explained previously, using a cable or wirelessly, and then if needed, they are going to give you the instructions once again for you to set up your headset. With your headset connected to your PC, the status here should be displayed as active with no errors. And if it is being displayed like this, you are good to go. Now go over to the quick settings on your headset, choose Quest Link from the options, and you are able to connect it to your PC. So if you want to use AirLink, make sure that you take this option here at the top. Otherwise, just connect it to your PC using a cable. Now you can run Steam VR or open Steam Link on your headset directly, whatever you prefer, and once you have Steam running, you will be able to find any game, including Batman, and you can launch it from Steam VR in order to start playing. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Batman Arkham VR on Oculus Quest 2. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.